I'm more of a natural shape girl, but y'all, look at that. Look at that. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kristen here, back with another video. And in today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you all how to get Polygel nails at home. A cute little nail set at home. So you guys, the first thing, I'm going to show you everything that you need. I have it all laid out here for you, so you can see exactly what you need, where to get it from, and how much everything will cost you. I also will have everything linked in the description box below. So if you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and I will try to help you all as much as possible. So you guys, the first thing that you're gonna need, I'm gonna start with everything that I got from Amazon, and then I'm going to tell you all, show you the things that I got from my local Dollar General, Family Dollar. So the first thing that you will need, which is the most important, is your Polygel and the dual form nails that will shape and place the Polygel. So you guys, this is the Polygel that I have. I got this from Amazon for $15.99. It comes in natural pink, which is this color. Natural pink, pink, white, black, purple, green, any color that you will like, they have it. They have some for $15.99 and they also have some for $12.99. Or you can get the whole package with a variety of different colors for only $40, which is so awesome. So you guys, this is the actual Polygel that I'm going to use today. Today I will have it in the description box below. Another thing that you will need is your nail dual forms. So the nail dual forms are the actual form of the nails so you can get your desired shape. So these also came from Amazon. These were $10.99. You can find some that's cheaper without a lot of them in it. But these are the different sizes that they have. They have some for your bigger sizes to the smallest. So it can fit everyone's thumb, everyone nail shape or size. I'm sorry, nail size. So you guys, I got these from Amazon for $10.99. I will have this in the description box below as well. The next most important thing that you will need is your nail dryer. You guys, I got this off Amazon for $26.99, and this came with a kit that you will also need that is really important for this process. Your cuticle cutter and these little spatula thingies. I don't know what they're called, but this is very important for the Polygel process. So you will need this as well. If you get this one, this will automatically come with it. I will also have this link in the description box below. Next most important thing is your gel, your clear gel top coat. Now, you don't need this, but you do need it when you want to get the shine. You also can paint over this Polygel just in case you want to change. You get tired of the natural pink, you can always get some type of gel polish and paint over it. But you want this to get that shine on your nail and also to use on the base of your real nail. Kind of like a protectant or a primer. You can get a nail primer, but I've also seen that this works just as well. So make sure you get your clear coat of gel polish. And you will also need, which is also important, your rubbing alcohol and a brush to spread the Polygel off. You will not be able to use the Polygel if you don't have some type of liquid to spread it out. Alcohol does perfect. It makes it more easier to use. Once the Polygel is wet with the alcohol, it's very easy to move around. I will show you all that in the video. So this is one of the most important things as well. Plus a good brush that you can spread out the Polygel. Last but not least, you will need a filer, and your buffer is optional. You will need a filer just to get the desired shape that you would like your nail to be. And also, this drill is optional. I got these 3 items from Family Dollar. This was $6, and of course, these were $1. So, you guys, let's get straight into this video so you can achieve a nice gel set at home. So, the first thing you want to do, you guys, you want to pick out your nail size. So I'm going to pick out, I already have these 2 done. I'm going to pick out these 3 on camera with you guys, and then I'm going to apply them for you. Okay, you guys, so the next part of this video will be a voiceover. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I either change this or just post more videos, you guys. So let's get straight into it. Okay, guys, now time for the fun part. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your Polygel and that little spatula thingy, and you're going to pick up the Polygel and place it on a dual form. As you can see, it has lines to see what length you want, and all you'll have to do is get your rubbing alcohol, that little brush that you need, and spread it out. Y'all, the Polygel is really sticky, but once you get something to get it wet, it's really easy to spread out. So all you have to do is spread it across the dual form nail. I find it easier to put less at the bottom and more at the top. Just make sure it's evenly spread it out. That's the main thing, to make sure you spread it out evenly. So now what you want to do is place the nail, the dual form nail, on your nail bed. Get it away from the skin, bring it up just a little, and gently tap it. That's all you have to do. If you have any excess Polygel, all you have to do is get your brush again and clean around and shape it back and place it under the dryer. Okay, y'all, so once you let the Polygel sit under the light for 5 to 10 seconds, all you will have to do is wiggle that dual form off and it'll pop right off. You can either keep the round tip or make it square. What I'm going to do is get my nail clippers. I'm going to cut it and file it away to get my desired look. Once you all finish filing your nails to your desired shaping, what you're going to do is take some clear gel polish and paint over the Polygel nail. I do not like this nail polish. If you all have some suggestions of a better gel polish, please leave it in the comment section below, because this ain't work for you, girl. wanted to say something really quick. If this was my shape and I could do nails that was this long, I would kill this shape with the Polygel. Okay? Okay, you guys. So now what I'm about to do, I'm gonna cut this and file it, and then I'll be back when I finish my other hand and get my nails together. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look of my DIY poly nails. I think I did pretty good. Leave it in the comment section below if you all try this, and let me know the do's and don'ts if you've done it before, and let me know what y'all think about the Polygel. Everything linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell at the bottom so you can get notified when your girl posts more videos. And until next time, y'all, peace.